Uh-huh. Okay.
Yeah,
So do
that's
you
fine.
need to verify if the data is what you need exactly?
Well, I mean, there's only two sources for the New Zealand and Australian data.
Mm-hmm.
So where did you get your Australian data from? Can
Should
you confirm
be
that, Laura?
the OTA.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
fine. So both of those sets of data are the only ones that we'd use.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So our next question is what should we do next? Is only the prototype, or do we need to describe
Yeah,
about the design or the flow inside the
yeah.
Tanya?
So yeah. So there's a I've developed a mock prototype for the benchmarking data that I've released to the other teams. I worked through it with them as I was showing them how to build. So the next step is that you and the team do your online training in voiceflow.com.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I need you to do the online training, and then I'll talk you through what I want the prototype to do.
Okay, so that
Okay.
means during the first prototype, we are not required to use that tools. Instead, we should use some storyboard or sticky looks and do the role play, right?
Oh, I think it's up to you. I think that's up to you.
Okay.
So are you talking about the prototype?
Yep, because we have first prototype and the final prototype. As I heard from other team, they sounds like to use the storyboard to make the
Yeah.
first prototype because
Yeah, you can do
they
that.
are not yet familiarized with that tools.
Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. You can use like a manual version of what you think that the prototype should sound like. Is that what you're talking about, Lawrence?
Yep.
Yeah, you can do that. That's fine.
Okay.
So I want to release to you what I released to the other team, right? Which
Sorry,
is
say
the
that again,
mock-up.
please.
So I want to release to you what I released to the other team, which was the mock-up prototype for the benchmarking. So I built a prototype, well, a very basic one in VoiceFlow that the team are going to use as the basis for developing the conversation going forward.
So can I say for the first
But you need
prototype?
to go. You and the team, Lawrence, will need to do the training for VoiceFlow to understand what I've built, what I need. Does that make sense?
Yeah, but where can I see your demonstration? Will you send it to me?
Yeah. Yeah,
Okay.
but you won't understand it unless you do the training first. So they did the training first.
Okay.
So if you do the training, right?
I haven't do the training yet. I will do it later.
Yeah.
But I would like to see your demonstration first. Will you
Yeah, but
send it
then
to
you
me?
won't understand it. You won't understand how I built it. So I need you to do the training first, and then it won't take very long. You might finish it later on today or tomorrow. As soon as you've finished that training, then I will show you the basic requirements that I want for the conversation, and I'll release you the prototype.
So where can I see the training?
If you go to voiceflow.com, I will message you 1 moment. So if you go to voiceflow.com.
I'm already in voiceflow.com.
Yeah, you're already on voiceflow.com?
Yep.
Yeah, so have you done the training tutorials for VoiceFlow yet?
Not yet. Can you see my screen?
Okay. Yeah, I can see a screen. Cool.
Yep.
If you can sign it, it's free to use for you.
You mean the get started for free?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
So if you sign up on that,
Okay.
so just use your own Google email.
Yep. Oops. I
Just go
think I
to
should choose just me.
yeah.
Oh, but how can I go back? Okay.
So what you need to do, if you go, oh,
It's gone.
no, you're right. Where you are right now is correct.
Okay,
Okay.
but where can I find the training?
Yeah. So go into Google.
Google. Yep.
And go voice flow tutorials.
Voice flow tutorial. Okay.
All of those.
Should be this
It doesn't
one.
take very long, Lawrence. Yeah.
Okay.
It won't take very long. They're just very short videos. But once you do that, then make some time with me tomorrow and I'll take you through. But you and the team need to have done the tutorials for me to be able to talk you through the prototype.
Okay.
Okay?
Yep.
So do you want to make some time for me this afternoon?
Yes, I can compete today before I go to sleep. Okay.
And then I'll catch up with you tomorrow. It won't take long, but what it will do, Lawrence, is instead of trying to learn it from just the draft that I've made,
Mm-hmm.
my suggestion is you do the training so you can understand.
Okay.
Okay?
Yep.
So,
So once I compete, I will let you know and you will send me your demonstration, right?
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And I'll talk you through the demonstration so you can understand what I want.
That means we will meet again during your demonstration?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I'll release it to you and you can use it as the basis for your prototype.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. So
Okay.
maybe
Tomorrow.
shall we make an appointment first? How about the same time tomorrow? Because I will finish it today.
Yeah, I can do 1 o'clock tomorrow.
Okay.
Can you do 1 o'clock tomorrow?
Sure.
I can't do 2, but I can do 1.
No problem. I
Okay.
will send you invitation after this meeting.
Yeah. So Lawrence, I think once you do that training, then it will be you'll be all good to go.
Yep. I will finish it today.
Okay. Okay, that's it from me.
Okay. So how about the actual data? Because to do a benchmark, we need to compare the actual figure with the benchmark, right? Will you
Yeah, that's
provide
in
the
the
actual figure to
prototype.
us?
Yeah. Yeah. So that's all part of it's all part in the mock-up prototype that I've made for you. So I'll talk you through that tomorrow.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. For
Yep.
the data that you're comparing to the benchmark.
So my last question is because our team main goal is to make the prototype by using voice flow, but during our assignment we need to make 2 prototypes, which is the first prototype and the final prototype. So the first prototype, you don't care. We make the prototype by means of anything, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
That means
The final prototype
if we
has to
can
be
make
a
it,
voice flow.
that means if we can make it by using voice flow, you will accept. But if we make it by using other way, for example, storyboard, sticky notes, and do a role play, you will also accept, right?
Yeah, I don't know what your requirements are for your tutorial. So maybe you should ask Alvin what
But
your
Elvin asked me to ask you.
Oh, so look, I think that if you do the when's your first presentation due?
Next week. Should be Thursday of next week.
Look, I think that if you can get it done, if you do the tutorials today, you'll probably be able to.
Okay.
If you can get the tutorials done today, you might be able to do it in VoiceFlow before then. For me, as long as the final one's done in VoiceFlow, that's what I might, that's all I want. So if the first one can't be done in VoiceFlow, that's okay.
Okay, thank you.
Just the last one has to be done in VoiceFlow.
Understood. Okay, I will take my time to complete the tutorial today first, and let's talk tomorrow.
Okay, sounds good.
Cool. Stay healthy.
Yeah, same to you. Stay safe. Thanks, Lawrence.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.